Hello world, today we're going to be replacing the left turn blinker in our 2008 to 2012 Chevy Malibu, and so we'll start off by opening the trunk. And next we will unscrew these two bolts right here, and then we will unplug these two plugs at the top, and then you can just lean back the trunk cover and expose the light carrier. Alright, if you don't have the correct tool to undo these two plugs right here, then I just used a file and these pliers to pull it out. Okay, then you will pull back the cover. You may need to wiggle it out, but especially as you get to down here. Right here is the chassis. And right here you'll see two exposed wing nuts that you can unscrew, and there's a third one behind the chassis that you can't see, so unscrew all of those. And now you should have the left light chassis removed. And so now we will undo the cap right here, and this holds the light that we'll be replacing. Okay, so we'll start off by using this light bulb here, 3157. They come in packages of 2, so I just had an extra one. Let that focus back in. Okay, then you will do a counterclockwise motion and spin out the thing right here, and it should come right out like that. And then there's a huge black spot. You probably can't see it here, but definitely understand why that is broken, and then just wiggle it out. And replace the bulb. And now same thing. Now you'll go clockwise. If the wires came out of its little holder, place that back. Now do a quick ops check to make sure the left turn blinker works before placing back on your wing nuts, and then put back on the wing nuts and the two washers. Okay, so now that you're done, make sure it fits behind all the crevices. Put the washers back and the wing nuts. And before you close up, do one last function check. And as you can see, it's working. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you did. Goodbye world.